Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian Soul. If you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel, and here down there is the subscription button. Hit on it, and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from my channel. Today we are going to talk about 5 tips by which you can get a very good job in Germany, or at least you can get a job in Germany. Um, Being a foreigner, you might have seen that getting a job in Germany, especially, is very difficult. Especially the expat women or men, they come to Germany, but they remain jobless for a long time, and then they think that they cannot do anything in Germany. So, my this video is going to talk about these problems. First and most important thing is, and you should go and contact Agentur für Arbeit, which is the employment agency of Germany, and they help youngsters to find new jobs. And in every stage, they have their consultants for every topic. They have some consultants who help you create your application and guide you. So basically, the employment benefit is called Arbeitslosengeld, and this is given to the person who has paid taxes in Germany. But basically, anybody who is residing in Germany can go to Agentur für Arbeit and ask for their help. And to be sure, I would say that you are not going to get unemployment benefits, because if you have not paid any taxes, but you are going to get the suggestions and advices that is more valuable than that money. So go and visit Agentur für Arbeit. You can download their app also. They have job postings also. But once you make your profile, it is good that you can see the vacancies, and you can apply from that website. If you don't speak German, then also don't worry about it. Most of the time, the people in job agency, they understand English, and sometimes it's so that they can even tell you to bring a translator with you. So you can bring a translator with you, and it will be easier for you then. Tip number 2: you should learn German language. In Germany, it's very necessary to learn German language. So how are you going to learn it? If that needs a separate video, but in short, I am going to tell you. If you are in Germany, you can search VHS or Volkshochschule, which is the short form of Volkshochschule, and they are some kind of polytechnic colleges. There you can learn German. And also, if you are residing in India, you can learn German in Max Muller Bhavan or Goethe Institute. Also in Germany, you can visit any Goethe Institute, but they are a bit costly in comparison to VHS. And then there are many apps like Babbel and other app. I also have run a few online courses in German, especially for Indians. So if you are interested in that, you can contact to me also. But basic thing is, you should learn German. It's not a tough language, although it's confusing to learn German at times. You have so many doubts which will not be clear for a long time. But basic thing is, you should go forward and learn German. Another good website about learning German is Deutsche Welle. And in Deutsche Welle, and you can even hear slowly spoken news. When you search langsam gesprochene Nachrichten Deutsche Welle, then you will find the link, and they have the manuscript for the news also. So and then you can clearly read and hear, and it's very good for listening practice. Third tip: work on your visa status. So if you are here on a student visa, and then you should try to find a job that can give you blue card. Or one more thing that always expat women ask to me is that your dependent visa is also your work permit. So no need to worry about it. You can apply for any job and you can get it and start working. And one more thing, if you are in Germany, and sorry, if you are in India or in your own country right now, um, getting a job seeker visa for searching a job is a very good idea. So although I don't have any experience with that, but the visa types, for example, like which are extendable, for example, like a student visa, a student applicant visa, or job seeker visa, are very good and for applying job and getting to see your future in Germany. So that's a tip. And when you apply for blue card, or when you are searching for a job in Germany, you should see whether the requirement of your salary, whether your salary that you are going to get is sufficient to get the blue card or not. Usually to get a job or to get such kind of visa status, for example, there is another kind of visa which is called Niederzulassungserlaubnis, or you can say it's called permanent residence. And to get this kind of visa, you need at least B2 level of German. In this, same with the blue card, you will get your blue card soon if you have certain German language skills. So check that in these website and ask to your nearby Ausländerbehörde for for changing your visa status as soon as possible. And if you are thinking to apply for jobs in Germany, I would say it is going to be a very tedious and difficult procedure. I myself, when I applied for PhD positions, I applied for at least 60 different positions, and I got only one positive reply, and that was too a bit too didn't had funding at that time. So only thing is, you should move forward, you should get into this work culture, you should learn how things works here, and you should know you should not stop applying for jobs in any way. Just keep going and see what comes in your way. My fifth tip is networking. So what is networking? To create contacts and to use your contacts in so that they help you professionally is called networking. So first thing to do networking in Germany is create your LinkedIn account and update it regularly. Second thing is go to job fairs, attend the seminar, trainings and internships. And basically, if you go to any place and you meet with any friendly people and they share contact with you, then try to be with them for a while and try to exchange their contacts with you. And you can then just drop a friendly email or other kind of like you can contact them in other way. Another good way is to get in to do networking is to visit job fairs. And usually in your or your husband or wife's income tax, you can apply these things in the category of Bewerbungskosten or training kosten. So whenever you want to visit any job fair or any internship or any training, or if you are studying something, then you are going to get some amount of this money back. And then I would tell you that we have to discuss a few more things here about Agentur für Arbeit. And like for every tip, I have so much more to discuss, so but I will stop this video now. But two more points. First thing, your German course can be financed by Agentur für Arbeit. You should ask for this possibility to them. And second thing, there are some courses from Agentur für Arbeit that you can do for free. Or for example, if you have small children and you have to leave them somewhere in the daycare or so, this cost is also going to be covered by Agentur für Arbeit. And there are some courses in which you are going to get financed, and you can do these courses for free and get a job in Germany. And this is how it works. So just go and ask to Agentur für Arbeit for any such possibility, so that you can get a job easily in Germany. So that's all for now. If my next aim is to get 20 more subscriber and at least 50 likes to this video. If I am not going to get this like and subscribers, I am not going to make another video in this series. So if you want to have a contact with me, and if you want to get more video about this topic, like and subscribe to my channel and keep coming back to it. There are so many videos about